It's like a Korean barbecue without the barbecue. So let's go and check it out. It's on Jalan, Imam, Bonjol. So we are on the busy Jalan, Imam, Bonjol, and we're here for the 75,000 all you can eat. It's like a Korean barbecue, but there's no barbecue. It's just like boil. They put a pot. You can get as much food, veggies, meat, whatever you want, as you want. You can eat for 90 minutes. So it's a bit noisy here, but this is pretty popular. Every night we come past, this place is full. So anyway, this is it. We've got Kenzo, we've got Mercer, we've got Eka, and there's a few of us. Okay, so we've got 2 tables pushed together, 2 cookers, and you can basically come and just get whatever you want, and as much as you want. Now these are all meat like Wagyu beef and really thinly sliced beef and stuff, so you know, you can just get as much as you want. Everything else are like little buxos and veggies and mushrooms, stuff like that. And that's what it is, 75,000 all you can eat for 90 minutes. So let's see how much we can eat, I'm hungry. Plus you got hot tea and iced tea, as much as you want, you can just drink. It is noisy here, it's a really noisy street, but cheap food, so we'll try it out. Every night we come past here recently, it's been really, really full. So must be good value. We'll just see how much. I'm just gonna get like about 5 containers of meat, some mushrooms and that, and just eat as much as I can. Yeah. So, what do you reckon, Kenzo? Yeah. You just got to look out for the red shipping container. It's Pot Mala ID is the name of it, and they're cooking and doing stuff in there, rice and stuff like that. And yeah, they're going. I think they got something else over here. They're just setting up. Opens at 5. So we got got bakwan, taoisi, right, some little spring rolls, and some mee goreng, some noodles. All right, good stuff. So they must be cooking in the container over there and just bringing food out as well, you know. Okay, so this is where they do the cooking, all the mee goreng and stuff like that, the fried stuff, and just keep putting it out all night. Got some little, I don't know, maybe little bud or something. So you just grab a plate and that from here, grab whatever food you want, and they'll bring over a big pot and boil them. It's like a soup, a stock or something, and you just boil it in that. So it's more like a soupy feed, it's not a barbecue, you know. Alright, so this is the soup. You've got 2 sections, one broth and one full on hot spicy chilli. So we're going to go and get some stuff and yeah, start cooking. Look at Yuli, she's getting 7 racks of meat. You tell me. Alright. Oh, there's not much in each one. Alright, so this is all you do, just take what you want, throw it in the soup. Yeah. Right, so I got some fried rice too now, mee goreng, some bakwan and stuff, gorenging. So we're just going to get some big proper mushies too, them big ones. Heaps. Alright, and these are all like little buxo type, meatball type things. Alright, so we're going to get some noodles. Need noodles at the bottom. Huh? This is all you do, you got your little ladle here for whatever. So I suppose we'll just throw some noodles in. Right, so we're just going to throw all the chicken in there. Throw all the meat in there. That's 4 plates full. 5, 6. Might as well throw it all in, I suppose. Just give it a bit of a stir. Oh, banyak sekali ya, Kenzo. Okay. So we got 8 trays of meat in here, and we're going to bring that back to the boil, I suppose. Oh, look at all that meat. It's just heaps. And in the spicy one, we got all the veggies and mushrooms and stuff like that. Probably should get some more mushrooms, really. Huh? Stuff. Alright. So anyway, when we get this sorted, look what we got. Oh, I got some fried rice for Kenzo. So look at that, it's just stacked. We've got quail eggs, we've got noodles, we've got all the beef. This is the spicy one. We'll see how spicy it is. Oh shit. It's really spicy. Whoa. So, whoa. It's too spicy, Louis. So anyway, Yuli's getting into fried rice. So it's pretty good value. You've basically got to get your 75,000 worth, so we're just going to hook in.
This reminds me like in Vietnam, you know.
Yeah, yeah, it's very much Vietnamese style, you know. So, now I suppose you just get your little bowl, your chopsticks, and that's how you eat it, I suppose. I'm absolutely hopeless at chopsticks. Yes, I got one. Alright, so we've got the noodles in there, we've got the meat in there. Alright, we're into it. Merson's got a huge plate full of veggies. And we've got fried rice and that for the kids because this might be too spicy for them. Alright, a little bit of soup in there. And that's it. We got all different types of mushrooms in here. Some noodles. Some noodles as well. Alright, that's me for starters. So I don't know how I'm going to eat this because I'm friggin' hopeless at chopsticks, I really am. And anyway, we'll try a bit of the meat. It's not too bad actually. So it's really, really thinly sliced, you know. So it cooks like in a minute it's cooked. So we'll just keep on getting container and container load of meat put in there. Good. A bit of meat, a bit of noodles. So this first lot's going to go very quick. So we've got 10 lots of meat in there, 10 trays of meat. Bit of tofu. And these are some Chinese, I don't know what they are, sort of bean or something, I don't know. Oh, what are they? I don't know what they are, some sort of bean, but they've got a seed in the middle. Very sweet. Try one of them.
Dates. It's a date, dry date.
Oh, right. Right. Good. Oh, they're dates. Pretty good, actually. We've got a little quail egg. They're like enoki mushrooms or something, the little stringy ones, yeah. I'm going to try them out. And see all the chilli on it from the being in the spicy side. So we'll see what that's like. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, yeah. Whoa, so spicy, eh? So there's no forks here. I wish there was. I can't eat noodles with chopsticks. Found a fork. Makes life a lot easier. Especially eating noodles. The beef's nearly gone already, so I'm going to go over and get a rack full. Another 6 or 8 things of them. Okay, so got some of these dried oyster mushrooms. another 4 trays of meat going in the pot. We've turned the cooker off because it was just getting too hot boiling, so we'll just let that cook in its own heat. Shouldn't take too long. And in the meantime, hook into the rest of my noodles. That's about it. That's the plan. So we're like 30 minutes in, and we've still got an hour to go. We've already done 14 plates of meat and heaps of veggies. So these ones here are crab, apparently, I think. I don't know. Crab or prawn or something. So try them out. Oh, it's crab, yeah. Not too bad, is it? Yeah. Look how many we've eaten. He's taken away. Look how many trays. Look, between the trays, about 20 trays full already. You see, he just comes along and tops it up again. When the soup gets low, tops it up. So, yeah, use this one if you want the meat. What do you want, meat? Noodles. Absolutely full already. We're about 1 hour into it. I think I've had enough. So anyway, pretty good value, 75,000. I'm not sure whether I can leave the Google Maps link. There's a shop and drive next door. An Alpha Mart. Yeah, it's probably about 300 metres from Transmall, Imam Bonjol. So it's worth coming and try. 75,000. You can easily eat that much. No worries. So if you get too much and you don't eat it all, they charge you 50% another 35,000, 40,000 on top for wasting it. So you got to make sure you don't get too much and eat everything you got. So we've got to finish this, and that's about enough, I suppose. See a fair few people are starting to rock in now, groups of people on that. Alright, so it's pretty good. What do you think, darling? Good?
Always good. My idea always.
Oh, her ideas are always good, she said. Alright, anyway, the Hotpot, yeah, it's well worth a look. Yeah, so I'm really enjoying this. It's like the atmosphere because it's outside. It's not inside an air-conditioned, fancy restaurant or anything. You're paying triple the price probably, if it was indoors or at a shopping centre or something, but it's well worth it, yeah, I reckon. We had great fun.